I'm going to show you how to make the cross stitch single crochet, the single crochet with an X shape. Here you can see the single crochet with the V shape. Here you can see the small V's. And here you can see the X shape, the cross stitch single crochet. Here you can see the small X. You can see it on the dress, on the head, and on the yellow part of the dress. Now I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet. To make the V shape single crochet, you have to make the single crochet normally, making the first loop under the yarn, and to make the cross stitch single crochet you have to place the crochet hook over the yarn. You have to place the yarn under the crochet hook, take the yarn and complete the single crochet normally. Repeat again. You have to place the crochet hook over the yarn, take the yarn and complete the single crochet. And you will get a better result with your toys.